Problems on ternary operators. Let's talk about ternary operators in Python and solve some problems like modern sum, add round, and BMI calculator. Ternary operators are terse conditional expressions that test a condition and determine a value. Python has a different syntax for these compared to C++. Print 2 if 2 is greater than 3, else print 3. And here, print 2 if 2 is greater than 3, else create an empty dictionary. So it does. 1 is 0.6. If it is less than 0, print less than 0. But if it is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1, print between 0 and 1. Otherwise, print greater than 1. Now, let's do some problems on ternary operators. Write a function that adds two integers and returns their sum, but if the sum lies between 9 and 18 inclusive, return 100. If the sum is greater than or equal to 9 and less than or equal to 18, return 100. Otherwise, return the sum. 8 plus 1 is 9. This is greater than or equal to 9 and less than or equal to 18. So this returns 100. You can also do this by short-circuiting using logical operators. Write two functions. Use the first to round an integer to tens multiples and the other to add the two rounded values. If the last digit of the number is 5 or greater, subtract it from the number and add 10. Otherwise, just subtract it from the number. An add round returns the sum of the two rounded values. 14 rounds to 10 and 16 rounds to 20. Adding these, it returns 30. Write two functions implementing a BMI calculator. Use the given range to declare a person underweight, of normal weight, overweight, or even obese. In this function, make a call to the results function with this expression's value. This is the BMI. In results, use nested ternary operators to categorize the resulting BMI into one of the ranges and then a print statement. The weight is 55 and the height is 160, so the BMI is 21.5. This is passed to the results function. Here it compares the value 21.5 and finds it lies between 18.5 and 24.9, so it prints declaring it a normal weight. Ones complement. Write a function that returns the ones complement of a string representing a binary number. For each digit in this binary string, we take its integer version and use it to index the tuple 1, 0 and take the string version of this result. Through list comprehension, we turn this into a list and then join the values together. This gives us the ones complement of the number in a string. So 11010 becomes 00101 and 0010 becomes 1101.